Tonight, when you open the fridge at 11 p.m. and grab something to eat without even thinking about it, you don't realize how strange that is. For 300,000 years, every single one of your ancestors knew real hunger. They didn't eat every few hours, food was scarce, hunger was normal, and their bodies were perfectly designed for it. When they finally ate after a successful hunt, the satisfaction was deep and real. But something changed. Today we live in a world of constant food, and we almost never feel true hunger anymore. This is not an accident. The food industry has spent decades and billions of dollars to break your natural hunger system. They call it the bliss point, the perfect combination of sugar, fat, and salt that makes your brain want more and more. Your ancient hunger signals get completely overwhelmed. You no longer eat because you need energy. You eat because your brain is being hijacked for pleasure. This is called hedonic hunger. In 2014, researcher Paul Kenny demonstrated this with dramatic experiments. Rats with unlimited access to junk food lost control. They kept eating even when they were full and sick. Their brains had changed. Exactly the same thing is happening to modern humans. We've lost the ability to feel real hunger and real satisfaction. But it gets worse. Constant eating prevents something very important, a process called autophagy. Your cells cleaning out damage and waste. This repair system only activates during longer periods without food. By snacking all day, we've almost turned it off. Inflammation rises, energy crashes, cravings never stop. This is why you feel hungry again just 2 hours after eating. It's not your willpower that's weak. It's your biology that has been deliberately altered. The good news? Your body still remembers the old way. Many people who try intermittent fasting or longer gaps between meals report the same thing. After a few days, true hunger returns. And with it comes mental clarity, stable energy, and deep satisfaction from simple food. You start to escape the engineered craving cycle. Your body wakes up, your mind becomes sharper, you are no longer controlled by the next snack. You remember what it means to be truly human. Tonight, when the craving comes, maybe wait just a little longer. Let your body remember what it was built for. You were never broken. You were simply engineered to stay hungry. The switch was there all along. You just never knew you could turn it off.